Imagine feeling like the entire universe is conspiring in your favor. That moment has finally arrived. Your guardian angels are bringing a powerful message directly to you. I know you've struggled, faced challenges that seemed impossible, and felt the weight of uncertainty on your shoulders. But now it's finally time to turn the page. There is a promise that is about to be fulfilled in your life, a true alignment between what you've wished for and what is destined to happen. A transformation is lurking, just waiting for your signal to manifest. Do not move, do not give up now. What comes next could change everything forever. There is someone who carries you in their mind and heart so deeply that, day after day, they pray to God for your paths to cross definitively. You might not even imagine it, but this person sees a future with you. A future filled with love and complicity, where both of you find the best version of yourselves. In their most sincere prayers, they have wished for this future to become real because they see you as someone special, a person who brings light with your unique and authentic way of being. It is precisely these traits of yours, those you might consider so normal, that have awakened such a strong feeling in them that the desire to be by your side has become an unshakable thought. They long to live by your side, to walk through life together, to share simple moments that mean everything. This person dreams of you building a story together, where the challenges seem small because just having you by their side makes it all worthwhile, giving meaning even to the difficulties. They feel that your way of being is a true gift, a blessing that life has given them to prove that it is possible to find joy and peace in the small details. This person believes that a future with you is the most beautiful dream that could come true because you make their heart beat faster, make their eyes sparkle in a way that only those who truly love can understand. It seems like something out of a fairy tale, but the truth is that their feelings are as real as their desire to live this story with you. To make each day a new page in this book of life they imagine with so much tenderness and affection. This person sees a future where your dreams intertwine, where each smile aligns in perfect harmony, and love flows freely, like a calm and deep river. They want each day to start with a sparkle in your eyes, for each shared moment to become a treasure kept deep within the heart. They imagine building a home by your side, a place where every detail breathes comfort, care, and pure joy. To them, you are not just a journey companion. You are someone who transforms each small moment into a special memory, someone who brings purpose, color, and light into life. They feel butterflies in their stomach just imagining waking up next to you every morning, finding happiness in the small things, laughing at the daily silliness, holding your hand when the world seems to fall apart, and celebrating every small or big victory life puts in your path. They dream of building a unique story, a story just for the two of you, filled with moments that reflect the deepest and sincerest desires of the heart. A story that overflows with meaning, where each chapter is written with a subtle touch of hope, affection, and mutual respect. And even when challenges arise, they know they will have the strength to stand side by side, always. Deep down, there is a sense that God is already guiding these steps, weaving your destinies together in such a perfect, harmonious way that it feels almost magical. They believe that this journey is unique, full of discoveries, moments worth living, constant learning, and a love that strengthens every day. This relationship will be much more than a simple union. It will be living proof of how love can be a powerful force, guided by faith and destiny, shaped by the hands of God. It will be as if the universe itself is conspiring for these two souls to meet, recognize each other, and decide to walk side by side on this incredible journey called life. Together you'll have the chance to experience something rare, a connection that will transcend the ordinary and transform into something extraordinary. With God's blessings, you'll be destined to live moments of pure joy. Each day will be a testimony of how true love can light the way, even in the most challenging times. You will live a life rich in meaning, a life supported by affection, mutual respect, and the sincere desire to grow together, learn from one another, and build something beautiful and enduring. The person by your side will have no doubts that you are the perfect choice. They will see in you qualities that go beyond what the eyes can see, a natural kindness, honesty that shines through every gesture, and a gentle spirit that can touch the hearts of those lucky enough to know you. These qualities will be rare and precious, and that is why this person will believe that with you, life will have a special meaning, a beauty that few can achieve. Therefore, this relationship will not just be a promise of love but a promise of growth, mutual support, and shared happiness. It will be a daily celebration of what truly matters in life, true connection, respect, faith, and a deep desire to walk together toward a future full of light and fulfillment. Each day that passes, each moment lived, will be a reminder that you are exactly where you should be, together, creating a unique story guided by love and blessed by God. It won't just be about living life as a couple, but living a life with purpose, a life that reflects the best of each, always motivated by what truly matters. He is there, with an open heart, ready to share every little piece of life with you. From lazy breakfasts to deep conversations on quiet nights. He wants to face everything by your side, be part of your team, walk together through storms and sunshine. When you're around, he finds strengths he didn't even know he had, a peace that only your presence can bring. You are that point of light that makes everything make sense, the reason he wakes up every day with a smile on his face. And he can't wait to build a tomorrow with you, where every moment is filled with laughter, dreams, and much love. This person wholeheartedly believes that together you can overcome any obstacle that comes your way. That life, with you by their side, has the potential to be an incredible journey, full of meaning and joy. There is a certainty that this love can face anything, that it will grow and transform into something even more beautiful than it already is. God, in his infinite wisdom, is showing a path of hope and light, saying that great things are reserved for you. It is a call to trust, to believe that this feeling is strong enough to endure and flourish beyond what can be imagined. It is as if the universe is conspiring to bring this union, to remind you that what is coming is something wonderful, that goes beyond the expected. This person is not just looking for someone to share a few moments or be a passing companion. They want more. They want a partner for life, someone with whom they can share not just the big moments, but also the small things of everyday life. They are ready to dive headfirst into a true relationship, where support is constant, understanding is genuine, and love is boundless. They envision a future where happiness is not just a goal but a constant reality, a place where both not only exist together but flourish, grow, and achieve the best of themselves. A future where dreams, goals, and values walk hand in hand, creating a journey full of harmony and fulfillment. And they are sure that this love, guided by God's hand, will bring immense joy and a profound sense of purpose to both. A love that goes beyond simple affection, sustained by a connection that touches both the emotional and the spiritual. They want to build a future based on respect, shared joy, and mutual support. They imagine a life where every day together is an opportunity to strengthen the bond that already exists, where every step is taken to create a welcoming environment full of love and security, a place where both feel free to dream and achieve together. In this person's dreams, there is already a clear image of a home built by your side, a place that is more than walls and a roof. It is a refuge of love and commitment. A home full of laughter, moments that warm the heart, and a purpose you both share, giving meaning to every new dawn. They are determined to make this dream a reality, where every moment counts, where every conversation deepens the connection between you, and every difficulty becomes an opportunity to grow even closer. They wish with all their heart that you see the future the same way they do, as a beautiful and exciting journey for two, where love is the compass and happiness is the destination. In their dreams, the love between you will be like a flame that will never go out but will grow over time. Every sunrise will bring a new opportunity to connect more deeply, to feel happiness grow, and to experience a life full of meaning next to someone special. With God's blessing, this vision will not just be a distant fantasy, it will be a reality within your reach, just waiting for you to accept it with an open heart. God has already promised that this love will be your inexhaustible source of joy and strength, something you can rely on at all times of your life. The person by your side will be ready to face everything with you, from the most challenging moments to the small daily victories. They will offer you unwavering support, always believing in the potential of both of you together. This will be a relationship built on solid foundations, where happiness and love will be what truly matter. God will be present in every detail, and it will be He who blesses this relationship to flourish with true affection, deep respect, and understanding that only grows over time, elevating both of your lives. This love will be pure, selfless, without conditions or strings attached. There will be no expectations for you to be someone different. There will be no attempts to mold you to fit any standard. The person who will be by your side will love you for who you are, without wanting you to change, without imposing conditions or demands. They will see your essence, your qualities, and even your imperfections, and still choose to stay, every day, every moment. It will be a love that simply exists, flows, accepts, and understands. And when you think about this love, you will feel that it is a gift from God, something to be appreciated and lived fully. You will know that this deep feeling is not something fleeting but a promise of a future filled with peace and fulfillment, where mutual affection and unwavering support will make each day a gift. They will see your love as a rare and precious gift, a true blessing from God. It will be as if this feeling had been carefully placed in their life, bringing with it a special purpose, something not easily found. And they will know this, knowing how special it is to have someone like you close by, someone with whom they dream of building a future together, a future that will not just be made of plans but of a home full of warmth, affection, and belonging. By accepting this love, understand that it is more than just a feeling. It is a unique gift, a sign that something greater is guiding this encounter. And the one by your side will be more than willing to live this experience with you, to offer all their support and that love that knows no bounds, that will always be there, unconditionally. They will be ready for this, with an open heart, trusting that with God's blessing, your future will be filled with bright moments, full of chances to grow, evolve, and find joy in the simple details of everyday life. The love you will share will be the living proof of faith in action, of the beauty that exists in having someone real by your side, someone who will understand the depth of being together, even on difficult days. It will be more than a path to happiness. It will be a purpose that will unfold little by little, a story that will be written with each step, each lesson, each laugh, and each tear. You will be on this journey of mutual growth, learning, and constant discovery, where each new day is an opportunity to connect even more, to understand each other better, and to love more deeply. And it will be in this love that you will find the strength to face whatever challenges may arise, always together, always side by side. Life will have its ups and downs, but when you have someone who truly cares, everything will be easier. With the divine presence in your lives, guiding your steps, you'll be able to overcome any challenge, always with your head held high and your heart at peace, trusting that you are where you need to be. To receive all of this and reaffirm this commitment, this love that has been blessed in such a special way, leave your amen. It will not just be a word. It will be a sign that you believe in this union, that you see the beauty and strength it will have. It will be a way of saying that you are ready for this bright future, built on solid foundations of trust, respect, love, and of course faith. Let these words echo deeply within your soul. The universe is committed to ensuring your success and will continue to guide you toward positive outcomes, no matter the choices you make. Always remember that you are deserving and destined for a love that seems written in the stars. To fully absorb this message and all the blessings it carries, declare in the comments, "I accept," and open yourself to receive the divine will today. Share your thoughts in the comments, don't forget to leave your like, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the next important message coming in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your every step with peace, love, and faith. Amen. ***.